read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. What are the expected learning outcomes of letter J? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter J and learn the words that start with the sound J, 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 J. J, 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 joker, J, 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 jam, J, 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 jar. The joker likes to eat jam from a jar. Who likes to eat jam? Joker, look over here. Joker is eating sweet and yummy jam. It's very yummy. From a jar. Okay, tell me that what is in the jar? Jam. And who likes to eat jam? Joker. Okay, after that, it's time to mime. Jump, jump, jump. Up and down, like a frog, like a frog. And say with your mouth, J, 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 J. Okay, teachers, we taught here jam, jar and joker. You could make different flashcards like juice, jigsaw, okay, and show these flashcards to the students and ask different questions about the color, about the thing and who liked this thing. I hope so you understood and liked this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.